This is tutorial number 41, and it covers how to create an animation within your eDrawings. Now for this tutorial, we're going to be using the staircase, which we created in tutorial number 39. Now to create an animation, all we have to do is click play, and it's going to cycle through 7 views of the part or assembly. So let's click play, and now it's going to cycle through 7 different views. Now, if there was a certain order that we wanted these views to appear in, all we have to do is click stop, click the recorder views, and we can move these views into whichever order that we want. So let's say we want the front view first. Let's move it up. Then the top view second. Let's move it up. And then the bottom view third. And we'll move that up. So now, when we click play, it's going to go down this order. So let's click play. So now it's going to go to the top view. And then after the top view, it's going to go to the bottom view. And then the isometric, the right, the back, the left. So we're able to manipulate this order any which way. So when we're sending it to a customer or client to view, through the eDrawings, we can show them the different views that we want them to see in which order. And that concludes our tutorial on how to create an animation within the eDrawings.